River fishing again today. Now, a large majority of the time I release my bass, but today I'm going to keep a few for dinner. There we go, baby. Got a porker on. Ease them back to me here. I'm just burning a whopper plopper on 8-pound test. 3 something inch loon whopper plopper, the black one. Oh boy, just gotta ease them back to me. It looked like a good one when it jumped, you know? That's all I can really say. He's going upstream, which is kind of interesting. Oh, he's not that big. He's not that big. He looked bigger when he jumped the first time. There we go. There's another one, baby, on the whopper plopper. I'm kind of at a confluence of a creek and a river right now. There's a nice run here that's gouged out. I'm picking them off here and there. It's not a hot bite, but it is a bite. I'm pulling them upstream though is the problem. That's the tough part. Work them in, baby. Come on. Come on over. Alright, what do we got here? Another beauty. There's another one, baby. I don't feel like a big one, but might work. I don't know. We'll see here in a minute. It feels like a small one to me, but we'll see here. Why are they all of them today are running upstream towards me? That's funny. Little squirt. There's another one, baby. Feels like another small one, to be honest with you. But we're hitting them. I'm wading up to my dingus here to get further down this run. It feels like a little squirt, like the last one. Not tournament legal. Alright, what do we got here? He's small. Hopping spots now. First cast with the whopper plopper, we got one, baby. She's a squirrely one. Trying to make her not jump. When they jump, they spit the hook real easy. First cast, baby, right off the bat. Very cool. There's a log over there. I don't want her to go to the right. Come here, baby. Oh yeah. Nice. There we go, baby. Another one on the plopper. Yeah, girl. Fingers crossed, not losing many fish today, which is dope. It's another bass. I see him shimmering out there. See if we can beach this bad boy quick here on 8-pound test. Big mistake, buddy. There we go. There we go, baby. Switched over to a tube jig. This will be most likely be the 5th tournament legal fish of the day, which means if I was in a tourney, I'd have all 5 of my keepers in my live well, hypothetically speaking. Don't jump, don't jump. Stupid things always jump and spit the hook. Cool. Very cool. Got this beautiful limit of small bass this evening, all in the 12.5 to 15 range. These will be family dinner tomorrow night. So today I've been using the whopper plopper and the tube jig. So today I've been using 6-foot 6-inch medium power fast action rods, Fluger Presidents, and 6 and 8 pound mono.